In front of me is LENOVO Tab M11, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Accounts and Sync. Then click on Google under Passwords. Tap on any passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Now click on Edit button next to the Delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!